In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a channel in TradingView. Drawing channels is an essential part of technical analysis that can help you identify trends and make better trading decisions. So, grab your mouse, and let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your chart on TradingView. If you're not familiar with TradingView, it's an excellent platform for charting and technical analysis, widely used by traders around the world. Once your chart is open, divert your attention to the left-hand side toolbar. You'll find an icon that looks like a diagonal line. This is where the trend line tools are located. It's the third icon from the top on the toolbar that you'll want to click on. As you hover over this icon, it will expand to reveal a list of tools. What we're interested in is the parallel channel tool. Clicking on this will arm you with the tool you'll need to start drawing your channel. Alternatively, if you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, you might find it faster to press Alt+H to quickly select your drawing tools. If Alt+H isn't set as default in your hotkeys, you might need to assign it manually in the settings, but this quick shortcut can save you some time once it's set up. Now that you've selected the parallel channel tool, let's go ahead and draw the channel. The first click on your chart should be at the starting point of your channel. This is essentially the beginning of the trend you want to outline. It's important to choose a point that marks the commencement of a noticeable upward or downward trend in your chart. Clicking once here sets the groundwork for the channel. With your starting point marked, look at extending the trend line. With the tool still activated, move your cursor across the screen and click once more to set the end of the trend line. Depending on your view of the market, this could be either the top boundary during a downward trend or the bottom boundary during an upward trend. This step defines one side of your channel and establishes the trend's overall direction. For the final touch, it's time to create the parallel line. With the initial trend line still visible, keep your eye on maintaining a parallel course as you move the cursor away from the established line. Once positioned where you'd like the edge of the channel to be, click a third time. This action finalizes the channel by creating a boundary that closely mimics your initial trend line. And there you have it. Your channel in TradingView is now complete. This channel will provide you with visual cues that help in predicting potential breakout or breakdown points within the trend. It's a useful tool for gauging market sentiment and making informed decisions based on visual chart patterns. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tips and techniques. Happy trading!